Hello children, today we are going to learn how to solve mixed word problems. Let us see first example. Find the product of 773 and 4. Subtract the product of 532 and 2. Here you can see in step 1 we have to find out the product 1, that is 773 and 4. So first we have to find out the product of these two multiplicants, and then in step 2 we have to find out the product 2. It means we have to multiply 532 and 2, and in step 3 we have to find out difference of products. It means first we will find out the product of 773 and 4, then we will find out the product of 532 and 2, and finally we have to subtract, okay, and we have to find the difference of these two products. Let's start our process. Here step 1, multiply 773 and 4. So write here 773 multiplied by 4. Now 4 3s are 12, 1 carry over, 7 4s are 28, plus 1 29, 9 2 carry over. Now 7 4s are 28, plus 2 30. So here product 1 is 3092. Now in next step we have to find out the product of 532 and 2. So write 532 multiplied by 2. Now 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Now our product is 1064. Now in third step we have to find out the difference of products. Okay, so you can see here the bigger number is 3092. So from this we have to subtract 1064. So let us find the difference. It means we have to subtract. Arrange these numbers and then subtract. Now we cannot subtract 4 from 2. So what we will do? We will take away 110 from here. So here 8 will left and here 12. Now 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 6, 2. Now here 0 minus 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. So our final answer is 2028. The final answer is 2028. Let's see one more example. Sia paid rupees 100 for 3 books costing rupees 30 each. How much money does she get back? So here we have to find out how much money does Sia get back. So first we have to find out the cost of 3 books. Alright, so you know already that to find out the value or cost of more than one object or many object, we are using multiplication, right? So here we know the cost of one book, that is 30. Now we have to find out the cost of 3 books. So in step 1 we will use multiplication operation. We will multiply 3 and 30, then we will get cost of books. Okay, in second step what we have to do? Sia paid rupees 100. So now when you will get the total cost of books, you can easily subtract from 100 and then you can find out the final answer. So let us start. So in step 1 we will find the cost of 3 books. Cost of 1 book is equal to rupees 30. So cost of 3 books, 30 multiplied by 3 is equals to 3 3s are 9 and 0. So 90. So cost of 3 books rupees 90. So our step 1 we completed. Now we have to find out how much money does Sia get back. So to find out that, we will use subtraction. So Sia paid rupees 100 and the cost of books are 90 rupees. So we will subtract minus rupees 90. Okay, so from 100 we have to subtract 90. So final answer is rupees 10. So final answer is rupees 10. So in this way you have to first read the question carefully, then follow the steps, decide whether you have to add, subtract, multiply, and then start solving.